paved driveway, huge lot that goes right straight through and loaded with features, all that were popular in 1926. This is not a 531 shoebox ranch. This is a 1926 vintage bungalow in one family all those years. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Where are we taking you today in the Jeep? You and I are all strapped in and we're heading to a house that's 1,816 square feet. Built in 1926. It's a bungalow. It is a classic. It's got these glass doorknobs, oak floors, elm floors, fireplace, bath and a half. It's 4 bedrooms, but you have a den on the first floor that could serve as a first floor bedroom if you have a family member or you yourself just don't like to climb stairs. So it could be up to 5 bedrooms. It connects from the street to the street behind it, so you don't have to back up, just drive through. So pretty neat house. We're excited about it. It's a bungalow in mint shape. Hang on. Thanks for joining us for this video tour of a High Street home at 63 High Street. Welcome to Houlton, Maine, the county seat for Aroostook County. What's so great about Houlton, Maine? Well, Interstate 95, US Route 1, Route 2, Route 2A, all are at the crossroads here. Have an airport, major hospital, there's a Walmart. It's a friendly, safe town. This is High Street, our next left. Carr Avenue is behind High Street. This is our property coming up on the right. See how it's tucked in? Beautiful lines. You have 2 chimneys. They have the stainless steel caps. And there's like a little carport, kind of like a vestibule coming in. The classic glass front porch, but the maintenance, all the woodwork is flawless. And there is a double garage. We're excited about this one. I think you will be too. Is there a quick occupancy? Yes, there is. Could you work from home? Absolutely. Telecommute from high-speed internet, remotely perfect job location, Houlton, Maine. See that doorway? That could be a home office. This is the side door off the carport to go into that back porch. These are simple run and gun videos to give you an idea of how's this home put together. I know you're busy living overbooked lives, running around like a NASCAR racetrack. So this is designed to give you the grand tour anytime, day or night, no matter where you are, no matter what the weather. The front side-to-side porch is ideal for 3-season living. The grand old home in Houlton, Maine, built in 1926. See the glass doorknobs? Your front foyer closet? And beveled glass side light, front door, it's all original. Check out the woodwork. It's all original. Did not have wear and tear. It was better built. It's been in one family all those years. So make believe you and I are back in 1926. We invite someone over for Saturday night parties, for a dinner. They come through the front door. Or if they really know you well, they come in the back door off that carport. This is your living room with a fireplace. Picture window that's on the east side. Those windows are on the southern side. This gets a lot of sunshine. Some of your guests, if it's summer, would be out on that front porch, mingling. Some are in here talking in the living room. Maybe in front of that patterned brick fireplace, if it's a different season, with a crackling fire going. Can you see yourself in this home, feeling like it's a castle? This is not a 531 shoebox ranch. This is a 1926 vintage bungalow in one family all those years. Grand old home for sale in Maine. Are you looking for one that's a classic? So many kinds of natural, native woodwork. I think some of that's elm. Some of this is birch, maple, and a variety of other wood that comes from the area. So we've helped transition you back to 1926. We're not all going to meet up at the IHOP or Golden Corral for a celebration on a weekend night. Our partying and celebrating birthdays, anniversaries, is done at home. We rotate which home in beautiful Victorian Houlton, Maine. Across from the living room, across that big hall room, here's your formal dining room. More original woodwork. See the bay window, the china closet, the trim, the glass doorknobs, the French doors out to the hall. Through that dining room buffet, there's a pass-through from the kitchen. You can access this formal dining room from the hall foyer in the front of the house or this back passageway. The original charm is here, but they've done some serious updates just ever so carefully. Wainscoting look, but modern kitchen with the old antique pulls and a center island that wasn't there in 1926. Plus there's a stainless steel hood in case we burn something or for venting. This has plenty of workspace. Plus there's a stackable washer and dryer in the corner. Like the chopping block on that island. If some of your company is well known and familiar or family, they sneak in the back way. You have another coat closet. You have storage pantries. This is the back rear porch that has a line to hang your clothes to dry them. It's 4 seasons. If you want to insulate it, change the glass, or it's a 3-season porch like the one across the front. Grand old home for sale in Maine. Looking for one with a quick occupancy? I heard that whisper. I think it was, I wish there was a first floor area for my home office. There is. See that side entry? All by itself? All you do is run some wiring, insulation, knotty pine or sheetrock, and this is about 16 by 16, your home office. Presently, it's ideal for storage as they sort through and move out. To recap, your kitchen that's accessed from that back porch, your formal dining room, your big front hall room with that front foyer in the entry, the living room with a fireplace, a chance for a first floor bedroom, or use this for your home office or den for hobbies or work. See the hardwood floors? The same original, never painted woodwork? This could be a first floor bedroom. Tucked away, here's your half bath. Is that all there is? Oh no, there's a shower hidden here to make it a full bath. Handicap friendly. This is your shower on the first floor. Right through that door. It was a clever use of a closet. So your bedroom couldn't be any closer to your bathroom if you want to be on the first level. There's the wainscoting on the lower part of the hallway. How come you don't see craftsmanship like that now? The people that did it, made it to last, that had the skills, died. Or you can't afford to hire it done now, unless you're down in Bahaba or Kennebunkport. Let's face it, cut to the chase. The elegant Victorian homes built in Aroostook County are so much cheaper than down along the coastline. 4 bedrooms, ton of closets, even walk-in types, and here's your bathroom on the second level. Ceramic tile, handicap-friendly shower that's oversized. White wainscoting, neat and clean, but updated vanity made to look like the original. I like the patterned floors. And the original door with the glass doorknob. See the little hooks for your bathrobe? Here's the first walk-in closet, chocked full of stuff. That's what closets are supposed to do, hold things. 4 bedrooms off a generous size hall room, not a hallway. Bedroom 1, the blue room, with a closet and built-in drawers in the eaves. Updated oil hot water Weil McLean Gold with a Boilermate. It's multi-zoned, but they've got some old cast iron radiators that really hold the heat. I talked to a friend of mine, Jimmy McPartland, and he said, don't ever take those out. They hold the heat. They're not like the cheap slant fin new versions now that go around the whole room. Extremely deep closet with a light. Let's look at bedroom number 2. That's right beside it. Or it could be a suite, depending if you have more bedrooms than you need. Closets, I guess, in aces. There's 1, 2, and another huge one around the corner in that little alcove. This little extra space is ideal for putting on makeup, for a bureau, put a rocking chair, a little writing desk. That's the big closet. So far, second floor, big hall, 2 bedrooms to go with maybe one of the bedrooms downstairs. Bedroom 3 on the second floor with a closet, gorgeous floors. Classic older home for sale in Maine. This one's a bungalow, circa 1926. Do you need help with bank financing? Local always works best. Look down below for the link to the local Houlton, Maine bank lenders. Bedroom 3 on the second level in this grand Maine home. They supersized the closet in this one too. Another big, hidden, under eave storage space. Closets, one word to describe this home. One of many. We're down in the basement. I'm always impressed with multi-zone and all this new updated plumbing. That blue is a Boilermate. This is a Weil McLean Gold furnace. This is a 2-flue chimney with a fireplace. There's another chimney, and they both have stainless steel tops or caps. Your 275-gallon oil tank is in here. This might have been a coal bin at one time. All kinds of new plumbing. And the electrical. If there ever was knob and tube, they removed it from what I can see, and check out the electrical panel. There's room for a couple extra circuits for that work from home den or office you convert, but look at all the new wiring. See where there were some wires going through the stringers, the floor stringers? They removed it. It's not knob and tube anymore. And see how they angled the subfloor? A lot of wood in this house. And beams. Not dinky, skinny, puny little 2x4s. Again, 1926. We do it right or we don't do it. We make it to last. That's just how everybody operated. This could be your root cellar. Close the door, keep it about 35, 37 degrees. Things keep well all winter long. This is a beautiful house. Do I see a lot of houses and just another house tour? No, I get excited because every one of them's original. And my job is how to tell the story about what's so different about this one. What are the features? Who would like to buy this house out in the audience if the timing's right? I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. I hope you appreciate the quick run and gun tour. We do these so you can watch them at 10 o'clock at night, so you don't have to drive 6.5, 8 hours up the interstate to get here. Give me a call, email me, send me smoke signals, text me. Go down below for the price, how to get hold of us, more property information, and the link to Houlton, Maine banks. There's 5 of them. Local lenders. It'll make it so much easier if you use local banks, not one that has a processing center on Jupiter or Saturn. Those don't ever get to a closing. The seller goes, they can't get the money, pull the plug. It's not that you can't get the money, you picked the wrong bank, they can't get the appraisal order filled. There's a shortage of appraisers. Maybe you're lucky enough to be able to pay cash. We'll see you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel. This is a house at 63 High Street. It goes from High Street back to Carr Avenue. Double garage, 1,600 square feet, built in 1926, up to 5 bedrooms. and it has 2 full baths. Cedar shingles on the outside, asphalt for a roof, and extremely well maintained with 2 sun porches. Stick around, there's more houses coming up. We know you only have so much time to binge on these. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, like the video, make comments, and share this on your social media. We appreciate you watching to the very end. Surrounded by trees, your lot is big. This is like another house lot, then the main home, plus it goes right straight through out the back to Carr Avenue. See the map?